Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Chashmish. In last video we have seen what is artificial intelligence, what is the use of it in game field. So today it's a continuation of that part. So in this video we will be seeing min-max algorithm, which is useful for TikTok toy, which we saw in last video. So if you have not seen that video yet, I will be pasting the URL in the description box. Please do visit that video to understand it better. So let's get started. Min-max algorithm is also a two-player game algorithm. Okay, so player will be max and minimum value. Maximum we will describe in this way, and min will be in this way. So maximum, in the sense, what will be the maximum worst case for maximum? So minus infinity, maximum value, if it is going into minus infinity, that will be the worst state of that fellow. Okay, so minimum means what will be the worst value? Anyway, the opposite of this will be worst case for minimum. So it's always, it will start in this way. Okay, what initially will be there, like we will have these values. Okay, so I have taken the values like this, and I have given max, min and max. So always what will happen, minus 1 will be getting compared with minus infinity. So which one is better? Minus 1 is better. So it will put minus 1 into buffer, and next value will come into pitch, that is 19. Which one is better? 19 is better. So that will get into buffer. So what will be the next one? 10. So in this we got it, in this 19 is the maximum value. For better understanding, you can also think like whatever given value, what will be the maximum, that will go for max. So similarly, second node we have to construct, that is in this. In this, what is the first buffer? Minus infinity will be compared with 8. 8 will go into buffer. 8 will compare with 6. Again 8 will be in buffer. So this will compare with 7. So maximum value is 8. Okay. Similarly, in this it will get compared. That is 11. 11 will compare with 12. 12 will come here. 12 will compare with 14. So here it will be 14. So now we got the node like, what is this? So let's consider these two will frame into one value, and this will come as a direct value to the third node. So let's, in this way, what will be the case? So now we have to check for minimum. So for minimum, what I told worst is infinity. So 19 and infinity will get compared, and infinity and 8 will get compared. So in this case, 8 and 19, which is minimum value? 8. So in this come here. Okay, so here there is no need to compare, so 14 will come here. Next step is, in between these two, what will be the highest value? That is 14. So that will come into the topmost root of the tree. So this will be the min-max tree, and this will be the algorithm for min-max. So in this algorithm, you have to say what is the worst state of maximum, what is the state of minimum, and how we will construct a tree, and also what is the disadvantage of min-max algorithm. Let's take this example. Minus 1 and 19, we know 19 is highest, but still it will go to the next node to check whether we are getting another highest value. In this case, see, in this case we have performed one extra step which is not required. Similarly, in this step we have performed two extra steps which was not required. So to avoid this, we have alpha beta pruning algorithm. So what it will do, we will discuss in next class or next video. Until then, take care, keep watching, and do comment and let me know your thoughts on this video. Share with your friends and family. Thank you. Thanks for watching.